DIY trick to just check my toe. It looks quite vicious, when driving it's quite sharp, so I was just sort of interested to know. I haven't had a wheel on it's done since I've put the new springs and shocks in, so quite a while ago. So I thought, I'll just try and make my own toe plate type setup. So yeah, just some hunks of wood, 2 tape measures. And yeah, the idea is that you have the hunk of wood flat against the wheel on both sides, and then you're measuring the difference between the front and the back. So I've got those tape measures tight there, and then I just pull them up against the top here, and then hold my foot against that and get that square. And yeah, I measured it, and it was that one was at 166, and this one is 160. So they're about, there goes that one. 5mm difference, 6mm difference. So I think that's actually quite a bit of toe for these guys, especially mainly because I'm driving on the street. If I was hard at drifting it all the time, then it's probably alright. So yeah, now the idea is to turn the wheel and dial back tie rod, so it actually pulls the front of the wheel back in. So yeah, real easy way to actually do it. Don't even need toe plates, you can buy proper toe plates that will do the job too. But this works. So yeah, I'll go through and adjust each side a little bit equally. Probably start with maybe half a turn, if that. Just see where that brings me. And yeah, if I do it equally, then it should keep the steering wheel straight.
way less like bouncing. This is the wheel. We had quite a bit of a, they had a sharp bump.